years ago, you captured my heart and by being exactly who you are. The sweetest, most loving, compassionate, and sensitive person I have ever known.
Noon, wala pa siya sa buhay ko, puro trabaho, puro trabaho lang, puro labas lang, gano'n. Dumating siya sa buhay ko, sa kanya na umikot yung mundo ko.
What makes a family a family? Love makes a family. Ang tunay na nagbubuklod ng pamilya, pag-ibig, pagmamahal, no? Ano ba yung essence ng family? Number one essence ng family, Lance and Leng, acceptance, no? Yung tatanggapin niyo yung isa't isa, kahit yung isa saksakan ng topakin, yung isa ay toyohe, no?
You have believed in me when no one else would. And you have shown me how to love with passion, purity, and unconditional acceptance.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa kanya for everything. Kung hindi naman dahil sa kanya, hindi naman namin na-achieve yung goal namin. Yung goal ko para sa bahay, yung goal namin dalawa. So, I'm lucky to have him.
Knowing of the reason why you may not be united with Leng, do you find within you a special love for her that convinces you that you want to spend the rest of your lives together?
I do, Pastor.
I'm not sure a lifetime is long enough to return all you have given to me. But I promise the rest of my days I'll spend by your side.
Pangako ko lang sa kanya na mamahalin ko siya hanggang sa nabubuhay ako. Saka wala na akong papakinggan na iba. Kahit anong sabihin ng iba. Siya na lang yun.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel.
You see me for who I am, and you love me and you love me not despite my flaws, but because of them.
We are in this together, and you are my partner for life. I'm here to remind you that you are worth it, enough, special, and you deserve to be genuinely loved. Hindi man ako araw-araw nasa mood, hindi man kita araw-araw mahal. Magalit man tayo sa isa't isa, at the end of the day, I promise you, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand.
Are you willing to love her in her unique fullness and to take the risk and to accept the vulnerability of that love again and again and again?
Yes, I do, Pastor.
To know who I am.
And the time na pinili natin ang date na to, June 5, 2025, napanaginipan ko siya. Nakatawa siya. Ang sa akin lang, ingatan natin yung relationship natin na to. You mean a lot to me. I love you for the rest of my life.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want
I promise to always strive to be the best version of myself, not just for me, but for you and for us.
Leng, know me of no reason why you may not be united with Lance. Do you find within you a special love for him that convinces you that you want to spend the rest of your lives together?
I do.
Do you also find within yourself the courage and conviction to resist the many deaths by which love can die?
I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know.
Kakabahan ako.
who I am.
Kakabahan ako na excited akong marating na doon sa finish line. Kasi I can't wait to be her wife.
Actually, yan naman pinaka-importante, no? Kung bakit kayo nagpapakasal, kasi humihingi kayo ng basbas mula sa langit, no?
I promise you, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Sa'yo pa rin iikot ang mundo ko. Sa araw-araw kong trabaho, ikaw ang alarm clock ko. Ikaw ang reminders ko for everything. Yung goals ko sa buhay na-achieve ko dahil sa'yo. Yung lahat ng kasama ko, inagseselosan mo. Pero no worries, kasi may nanalo na at ikaw yun.
Yeah, it's your time to the finish line. You got what it takes. Don't put on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours.
Allah! Para sa'yo, mister ko, isang simpleng singsing at pulseras, hindi dahil sa halaga ng alahas, kundi sa kahulugan nito. Ang singsing ay simbolo ng walang katapusang pagmamahal at pangako, at ang pulseras ay paalala na kahit saan ka mapunta, lagi akong narito nakakabit sa puso mo.
Together we are better than we could ever hope to be alone. And today, I give my love, my trust, and my fidelity forever. You will always be the best part of my life. I love you.
It's your time.
By the power vested in me by the LGBT Christian Church in the Philippines, I now pronounce you partners in life. You may now kiss each other.